Hello guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to make all your videos in same length in the Capcut. So first of all, you have to open your Capcut application. After that, click on the edit button. After that, you have to create a new project. So click on the new project button. And after that, you have to select some videos here. So I'm going to select some videos and click on the add button. So now you can see we have imported all of our videos. So after that we have to make a same length in videos. So now you can see all of your videos. This is 13.6 seconds, and after that you can see this video is about 6 seconds, and then this video about 33 seconds. To make all of your in same length, you have to trim your videos. Like I want to make this video less than 13 seconds. You have to click on this button and you have to do like this. So now you can see this is the 5.4 second, and after that you have to click on this video and then you have to make the same length 5 and then you can do same with this video. You have to trim your extra part to make video with the same length. So I'm doing this. So in this way you can make all of your videos in same length. And if you don't want to trim your videos, you have to click on the video, and after that you have to click on the speed setting, and then you have to click on the normal, and then now you can see you can adjust the speed setting. You can make it slower or faster as you want. So I hope you guys understand the video. If you guys like the video, please make sure to subscribe and click on the bell icon and follow for more videos. See you guys in the next videos.